Metro Group is one of the fastest growing metal recyclers in the Western United States. Our dedicated team of nearly 300 employees works hard to recycle over 1 million pounds of scrap metal each day. So what does Metro Group actually do? What is it like to work at Metro? Metro Group Inc. purchases metal items such as the aluminum and soda cans, the copper and electrical cords, the brass and plumbing fixtures, and the steel in cars, planes, buildings, and many other items after they've deteriorated or lost their use. Metro begins the process of transforming these materials into new, usable products. Our customers range from local residents recycling small quantities of metal to large commercial businesses recycling many thousands of tons of metal each month. At each of Metro's 8 locations, our employees move the recycling process along by purchasing, separating, and preparing each different alloy to be shipped to smelters where they are melted down into new products. The following are a few examples of jobs here at Metro Group. Metal buyers are trained to recognize and grade the different types of metal. They interact directly with the public to purchase scrap metal and ensure that the customer is paid correctly for their materials. Our warehouse teams work together to prepare the various metals for shipment after they've been purchased. These aluminum cables, for example, are compressed into compact bales by this baling machine. Employees on the baler team learn to operate a variety of equipment, including forklifts and skid loaders, to move the material during the process. Larger items, such as steel beams or pipes, must be cut into smaller pieces using a large metal shear, like this one, before the recycling process can continue. Our employees operate this machine like a giant pair of scissors, cutting larger material down so it can be transported and recycled. If an item is still too large for a shearing machine, it is cut by these employees using a powerful torch. These torchers, as we call them, are given special equipment for safety and air circulation. Some items, such as these copper wires, are contaminated with non-recyclable substances and must be placed into machines to separate the metal from the waste. Metro employees use this shredding machine, aka the copper chopper, to remove the plastic insulation from the valuable copper it surrounds. Large contaminated items, such as refrigerators and cars, are also shredded, but they're placed into a much larger shredder. This is Metro's industrial shredder and is one of only 3 in the state of Utah. The shredder can devour entire cars, shredding the metal into tiny pieces and then separate all the different components, whether metal or trash, into separate piles. A team of pickers give the shredded material a final visual inspection to remove any non-metal items from the finished product. It requires a full team to load, operate, clean, and maintain this massive machine. Once all the metals are separated by alloy, cut down to size, and prepared for shipment, they are loaded onto trucks and trains to be sent to various metal smelters around the world. Our employees play an integral part in the global supply chain to provide raw materials for many manufacturers around the globe. Another department where Metro employees may work is transloading, which is separate from our recycling services. Transloading is the process of moving material from one form of transportation to another. Because Metro has access to railroad tracks and heavy equipment, businesses will pay us to transload and store a wide variety of items, such as lumber or mining equipment, and then deliver the material to its final destination. Working with Metro Group will give you the opportunity to have a positive impact on the world. Each year, our employees help us conserve enough energy to power New York City for an entire month. We also remove 500,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere each year. The work you do will be challenging, yet rewarding. And as you exemplify our core values of working safely, constantly improving, providing wow customer service, having integrity, being positive and optimistic, and having a strong work ethic, you will be presented with multiple opportunities for advancement within any of the teams that interest you.